I shut the gas off so that thing would run out, and it did. This is a very rare Bradley Edlund engine and a power bug alternating current permanent magnet generator. So far, this is only one of two known. These were made right after World War II out of surplus parts, and according to the company, only a handful were ever made. And there's one other one that another collector has up in New York, which is where these were built. They were built in Cortland, New York. The engine is pretty fancy. It's a overhead valve, 4-cycle engine. It's got I'm not sure if it's got ball bearings or Timken's tapered bearings on the crank, but it has bearings. It's got a Wyco magneto, and it has a governor on it like a Power Products engine, and it has a Tillotson carburetor. I think it's an MT series, something like that. It should have a dry, what I've heard called before, a coconut filter. You find those a lot of times on chainsaws and things like that. The one that was on here was crushed when I got it, and I put this oil bath on there. So I'm trying to find another coconut filter, but those are pretty hard to come by in the right sizes sometimes. The spark plug is located right underneath that valve cover. The chamber underneath there is divided into two sections. One houses the valves, the other one has the spark plug in it. And it has cast aluminum exhaust manifold, I guess you'd call it. And then this long housing up on top here is the actual muffler. And it's steel in the center, and it has copper ends. And these little copper tubes coming out of the back are kind of funny looking. And this generator makes 110 volts at 400 cycles. So that kind of fits in with military communications type power. So don't know how many of these were made for the military, but this one here is I believe the engine says it's a type GI, which kind of leads to, might think it was military to begin with. And then the serial number is 49-1075. I believe 49 is the year. But pretty unique little generator. I finally got it running. I had to put another coil in the magneto, but it runs very good right now. I don't think it was used much at all. So I'm happy I got it running. I've had this thing for probably 5 years now. I've only probably been able to run it about 5 minutes since I had it. So, well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.